Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are making a new tutorial in Solidwork. First we take a arc coincident, make this arc center coincident with x 00 axis point. The radius is 30. Another radius is, oh wait a minute, I wrongly write 400. And this radius is 40. Okay. Now take a line and connect both the arc, this one to this one, because it helps to extrude we take another arc and this one is another. Both are concentric, both connect both of them. We select both the line and do collinear. Now this center point coincident with line. Now this distance, okay. First we doing a radius, then we cover the distance from the bottom. This radius is 15 and another one is wait a minute, and this one is 30 and 10 both side. Oh, first center to center distance is 100 mm. After doing the 100 mm, we now it is fully defined. We can I think we connect both of them with the line, both circle, this one to that one, we tangent this one. Why it is I think I select this one is okay. If I select bottom point, then there a gap is left and that create a problem. Line array, yeah, I think it create an issue. Okay, this we so in the end, okay, this distance is 80. This height is 10 mm. We select both the line and mirror entities with the center line. Now we are extrude this one. This one is 10 and this one is 50 plus 10, 60. Select this sketch and this distance is 10 mm. Now again we selecting the sketch. Now its distance is 30 mm. Select the sketch. This distance is 20 plus 20, 40. 40, 10, it total distance is 60. Then we leave the gap from both sides is 10 mm. It means the radius that touch to the arc and this profile weight is radius is 10 mm. Okay, I will tell you why I taking the radius is 10 mm, because both sides 10 mm gap is left. Okay, now it I give you a set of 10 mm. Fillet, select this one and this one. Now this one. Fillet, and we are using this fillet. mm, why it is, wait a minute, I think it not completely not merge with arc. Maybe there is gap is leaving or not. Mm, mm. Again we take a fillet command. mm, Maybe another problem is come. First we taking the whole wizard, then we make a fillet. Okay, no, wait a minute. Take a whole wizard. Position 3D sketch. Okay guys, now our 3D model is ready. Thank you.